How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Welcome to video 3. Now, if this is the first video that you've come across, thanks for checking this out and welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button so you can get updates, and make sure you go back and watch video 1 and video 2 before you go on in this video so you can catch up. So just a quick summary of where we are. The first video was just kind of an overview of the entire process. We went over this affiliate marketing email sales funnel, and now we're kind of going through and talking about the different components. In the last video, we talked about how to choose a niche and how to find offers to promote. And for the rest of this training series, I'm going to just focus on the make money online niche. Okay, it's a super popular one. I enjoy it. A lot of people are looking for ways to make money online. You're watching this video most likely because you want to make money online. And so I think it's a great niche. Yeah, I just enjoy it. So that's what we're going to be using for the rest of this training series. Now, and today what we're going to do is talk about how to create your email opt-in page. Okay, so if we go back here, remember this is the kind of the crux of this whole funnel. Okay, this is where you're going to be sending traffic to the email opt-in page. After someone gives their email opt-in, and then they're going to see an upsell offer where it's usually a low ticket commission where you can make some money, usually $7, under $10, and then you can send them to another affiliate product. And then after that, you have these automated email messages that start going out. And so once someone puts their email address into the opt-in page, the rest of this funnel is automated and it is hands off. So this is super important. You want to be able to make a good opt-in page. You want it to convert well so that when you send traffic to the opt-in page, people will give their email address. And so that's what we're going to be spending time talking about in this video, is how to create a good email opt-in page. Now, there are several different ways to create email opt-in pages. I'm not going to go into all the different ways because there's just a lot of them. However, what I will say is that you do need a couple of software for this email sales funnel. You do need an email autoresponder, and I only recommend Aweber or GetResponse, and I'll leave links for those below this video because they're both friendly to affiliate marketing. Okay, there's others out there, and you're risking getting your account shut down with a lot of the other services. Now, you can get your account shut down with Aweber and GetResponse also if you're making a lot of bogus claims and things like that. So treat them with respect, and you'll do well with them. Now, the other thing that is going to be really helpful is to have a page builder to create your opt-in page. Okay, so a page builder will help tremendously. Now, you have probably heard of some of the page builders that are out there. I'm sure many of you have heard of ClickFunnels. It works well, but it is super expensive. I believe they still start at $97 per month. Okay, that's really, really expensive. And then there's other options that are less expensive, Lead Pages and others, but they're still, I think, $37 or $40 a month. And so they can be quite expensive. Now, again, there's other ways if you want to build pages, i.e. using WordPress, etc., but that requires hosting, and it also requires quite a bit of technical knowledge. Okay, and so really what you want with a page builder is you want something that's going to be low cost and simple. Okay, I'm talking about like drag and drop simple, where anybody can do it. You don't need any tech expertise. And so I'm going to show you my favorite funnel builder. It's called the HBA Funnel Builder, right? What a creative name. So this is the sales page. Again, I'll leave a link for it down below. And you can go through, you can watch the video, see the demo, see everything, read through obviously what you're getting. And like it says, the great thing about the HBA Funnel Builder is it's only $25 a month, and that includes your hosting. So $25 a month, super cheap. And you get tremendous support as well. That's the other thing. If you scroll down, and you can build all kinds of sites. So we're talking about lead capture pages, but you can do everything: sales pages, webinar pages, checkout pages, upsell pages, membership sites. You can do funnels because you can link all your pages together. You can do a complete website. All kinds of stuff, right? And that's a great thing. So like this page you're looking at was built with their funnel builder, and all of what they do is built with their funnel builder, the company, because they have other things as well. And so you're going to get some great training. Let's just jump over there, I guess. So here I am inside my Home Business Academy account. This is their kind of primary product, the funnel builder. But then they do have a traffic and conversions training, which is actually really, really good. And then a financial literacy academy. If you need some help with financial stuff, it's really good as well. But today we're just talking about the funnel builder. They have tremendous training, okay? They got some quick starts here. They walk right through exactly how to get everything set up. So, it's just, number one, pick a great domain, and how to integrate it. They go through exactly how to do that, how to do a subdomain if you need it, how to integrate it with your autoresponder. And so it's, here it is, super simple to get everything set up. And the training, as you can see, is just step by step. They have timestamps so you know where to go. Now, again, I use Aweber. Aweber is probably the easiest to set up. But you're going to need Aweber or GetResponse. And then they have tons of training so you know exactly how to use everything inside the HBA funnel builder, okay? And then lastly, they have some training as well. So every month they have some training. So you can get on there and you can learn from other people what they're doing. They do have a week, every morning, Grow Rich call as well. And part of it's because they have a really, really strong affiliate program. You earn 80% commissions, okay? So it's costing you $25 a month to use their funnel builder, and they pay 80% commissions. And so, again, you're working online, right? So I have a nice residual monthly income from Aweber and a nice monthly residual from HBA Funnel Builder, and lots of other, recurring programs that I use. And so, if you recommend HBA Funnel Builder and one person decides to go ahead and start using it, now you're getting a $20 commission every month, so it's only costing you $5 to use it. And if you happen to get a second person started, now you're in profit, okay? All right, so I don't want to go too far off track here, but I just love the company. It's a great page builder, funnel builder at a low cost, and they have such a nice affiliate program that you can make your money back really, really easily. So anyway, from here, you would just click on log in, and then once you log into the funnel builder, this is the page that you're at, okay? And just to kind of go over it really quickly, if you click on dashboard, it'll take you here where you just get some stats. You can see how things are doing, get some, traffic stats, where your traffic's coming from, etc. But primarily the meat of it is here inside the funnel builder. So right here, we're clicked on builder. You can build stores. You can get your contacts to export from here if you want. And then you can, if you are using some kind of, scheduling, you can create appointments up here. But the bulk of what you're going to do is in the builder. And the nice thing is they have tons and tons of templates that you can use. And so you can create something completely from scratch. You can start with a blank page if you want. To be honest, I don't, because I just have never had the need to, because they have so many good options. Now, I'm not going to go super in depth with the builder because, again, they have tremendous training here, and you have everything you need. But I'm just going to kind of give you an overview so you can kind of see how simple this is, okay? So this is one opt-in page that they provide for you, and this is promoting, obviously, their own company. If you go into funnels, you'll see the different, I have basically 4 funnels set up right now. This one, then you see this one, and actually these top 2 come with HBA Funnel Builder, so they're already kind of built in. This is one I created. This is one of the main ones I send traffic to. This is another one. And then if you want to create another opt-in page, you just click Add New Step. Do you want a page, a pop-up, a section label? Let's call it something first. I'm going to call this a test section. Okay, that way it'll, oops, we'll separate that. Okay, so now we're going to be working here. We're going to add new step. We're going to create a new page. And so this is where all the templates come up. And so you can see them by category over here. So these lead capture opt-in pages, you can see, I'm going to try to scroll through slowly so you can see all the different styles that you can choose from. And so these are all pre-done templates. And then it's really drag and drop simple to edit them. And so you could go through, find one that you like, find one that's close, and then just make simple edits to make it, the way you want it, okay? And so as you can see, lots and lots of templates to choose from. And then they have thank you pages, some legal pages over here. If you want to create link pages, some people really like these. This is actually a great idea for like a thank you page after they have given their opt-in. So if we go back to the funnel, one thing that you can do is instead of sending them to an upsell offer, you can actually go in and send them to a link page. So these are all different links that maybe link out to different products that you're promoting. And so instead of sending them to just one offer, like you normally would do, you could send them to a link page. So this is actually pretty cool. And so, yeah, if webinars, they have, sales page templates, checkout, membership, if you're creating a membership course, coming soon. And then users put in their templates as well. And so you can go in here and you can look at what they provide. And that's the great thing. People share as well. Okay. So let's just maybe go back and let me pick one of these just to kind of play around with. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And so we're just going to call this maybe join now. Oh, now I forgot to show you. Well, let's just go ahead and set this up first. But yeah, what I forgot to show is if you go under settings, this is where you can add tracking code, upload your own images in the file manager. This is where you would, I would recommend buying a domain and adding it. They walk you through exactly how to do that. Application. So this is where you connect your email autoresponder. And again, they show you how to do all this, okay? So again, all this training, they're going to show you how to do all this. So I know sometimes people look at this and like, ooh, it's kind of overwhelming, but they really literally take you step by step through it. It is not that technical at all because they show you exactly what to do. So that's where you'd be setting all this up, your autoresponder, your domain, etc. But yeah, so here's, something you can start with. And so you can obviously change the background image, because that's probably, maybe not your family, right? So you can change that. But then this is what I mean by drag and drop simple. See, so I just hover over that. I can expand that out. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. You click on a section and you just say edit. And so maybe you want to, change the font. And so it's as simple as that. You want to change the size. So you pick your size, make it bold, make it underline, make it italic. So it's that simple, right? That's how you do that. Now here, when you click on the opt-in section, you can edit the fields. Okay. So this is what is going inside the box. So you can do that. When you click on the settings, this is where you will select where you want them to go, okay? And so you can send them to, again, upsell offer, to a generic thank you page, to really whatever you want. And so you just put on here either show a thank you message or go to a page. We're going to have them go to a page, and then you would just select where you want them to go, okay? And that could be, a funnel. It could be a separate external link. It could be whatever you want. You just put that in there. Okay. And then since I have my Aweber connected, you just say what list do you want that to go in. So these are all my lists on Aweber. And so let's say I want them maybe to go to my test list. confirm that. And so now when someone opts in, they're going to go into my test list in Aweber. Okay, and so again, same thing. You just make any edits that you want. You can type more words in here. Thank you. You can, again, go back if you want to stretch this out. That's just a spacer. You can click on the whole box, right? You can make, maybe you want the picture smaller, you want the picture bigger. If you want to add something, you can add a new block. Now what I want to add, and again, so here's all the blocks that you can add: an image or text, a video, you want to add a gallery, a checkout, an opt-in page, an empty block. They got everything, right? And so you can choose whatever you want. Let's just say you want to add that. Boom, there it is. There's the disclaimer. And you can make things fade in, fade out. That's what the timer is. So if you want to set up some animations or delays, you can do that before it shows up. So this is kind of good, like if you have a video playing and maybe you want to opt in to show under it, but add to cart button, a buy button, but maybe you don't want that to show up for a while, right? Because you want them to watch the video first before they're distracted by having to opt in or click a buy button. And so you could have that buy button or opt-in form have a delay on it before it shows up. So, and that's what I mean by it. It is super, super simple, and that's what's really awesome about this, is it's, again, drag and drop simple. Just add stuff. You can play around, with it, make it however you want. They have all kinds of things that you can, widgets that you can add, a heading section, text, button, icon, containers, images, menus, spacers, etc. You can see them all here. If you're not sure what they do, no problem, because again, you have all of it in your training. Okay, how to add custom codes, how to add exit pop-ups, how to add first name to a form, how to track your leads, how to sell your own products, how to create one-click upsell or downsell pages, how to create a membership site, how to host videos, appointment booking widget we talked about, how to create graphics, resizing videos, split testing. I mean, just the training is all there. And that's why I say it's kind of a no-brainer, really, when you think about what you're getting for $25 a month. It's pretty crazy. They have the hosting and tons of things, and so many. Again, you can create as many funnels as you want. You're not limited there. Yeah, so it's very cool. So anyway, that is, and then once you click on the link and you open it up, here it is. So here's your page, right? And you can say if you like it, you don't like it. Also you can preview down below. So this is what it looks like on a computer. This is what it'll look like on a tablet. And this is what it'll look like on a phone. So you can go and make sure it looks the way you want or edit anything you need to if you don't like how it looks on those different devices. So super, super simple. And again, as I said, the main thing you want to keep in mind if you're looking at getting some kind of page/funnel builder, because HBA is, as they call it, their funnel builder. It's not just a page builder. You want it to be low cost, so $25 a month, and you can really offset that easily with their very generous 80% commission affiliate program. But you also want it to be super simple. And like I said, theirs is drag and drop. There's really no technical stuff that you have to learn. And on top of that, they have all that awesome training to make sure you get it set up to start working. And then if you want to get in depth and go crazy, they have all super, super in-depth training as well. So that is what I recommend using for building an email opt-in page is the HBA Funnel Builder. So I will leave a link for this down below. Go check it out. Again, they do have, we scroll down, again, so they have their Funnel Builders Academy. That's all the training that comes with it. They have their interactive help and training, so you're never, left alone. You can create unlimited pages. You're not limited, okay? And then they have tons of templates. Some you're limited to how much you can do. So this is unlimited, 80% commission affiliate program, like I talked about, which is awesome because it costs you $25 a month. But if you help somebody get started, you get paid $20. Okay, so kind of a no-brainer. Now it'll only cost you $5 a month because you're getting $20 every month as a commission. Pretty cool. And then again, super active community on Facebook and Telegram, which is awesome as well. And the other nice thing they do is they partner with, I don't know if they're going to actually talk about it on the HBA sales page or not, but they partner with, let's go down, they'll do it here. I can't remember what it's called. Feed My Starving Children. Here it is. So they partner with this nonprofit, Feed My Starving Children, and they donate regularly to them. And so right now they've, as of today, they keep this up to date. They've donated 1,630,000, almost 164,000 days of meals provided to kids so far from the people who just use this, right? And so not only do you get a super reasonably priced page and funnel builder that is drag and drop simple, so you don't need any kind of technical expertise at all, and you can earn 80% commissions by helping other people use it. You also get provide or partner with a company that really does a great job giving back to kids. So anyway, I'll leave links down below for Aweber, for GetResponse, and for the HBA Funnel Builder. Thanks so much for watching.